trying to buy a machine part, and we ran into the experience of, it shouldn't be this difficult to buy a part. It was time consuming, it was very difficult to get a quote, and what we really found was the market is highly specialized. Every shop seemed to be very specific on what their limitations were. Only some shops could do the parts that we wanted to do, and it was just an incredibly time-consuming process. But at that point, it was actually easier for us to buy a machine and make our own parts versus sourcing them in the market. So that's why we entered the market space.
What prompted them to do that, and how did Parts Badger kind of rise to the occasion to get awarded that big contract?
Yeah, great question. So I think a couple different things. Number one, reshoring, obviously reducing risk. I don't know if that was the most important on their end. I mean, really just US manufacturing and bringing that back, especially with Swiss machines. They're effectively all automated machines, which means rather than having people doing manual labor, opening a door, you know, opening a vise, closing a vise, in and out, in and out, we want people to solve problems. We want people to do complex work, and Swiss machines really takes advantage of what US labor force has to offer. And I think that synergy, bringing the labor back to the US, we could offer price competitive and really reducing the overall risk. I mean, obviously we saw that with COVID, but it's not just COVID now. Now you have geopolitical issues and transportation, logistic issues because of other things. I mean, having domestic manufacturing's become a lot more important, not just for Yeti Cycles, but for other companies as well.